Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate audio on CapCut PC. There is just one way to do this. You're just going to select your audio, right click, copy, and right click paste. That's pretty much how you can duplicate audios. There isn't a special way to do it. You can also just do the shortcut Control C and Control V. And voila, that is how you can duplicate audios. You can layer them together. You can place it in a separate, not a separate track, a separate space. But that is it for this video. That's how you can duplicate audios in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.